you through the proper profile of this car so that you get a good experience about it. Its tagline is reclaim your life. On the front profile, see, these are the daylight running lamps. It comes with the normal projector lamps, the high beam projector lamps also, and then it has a normal focus light. This has a very good honeycomb grills available here, and then it has a tri-arrow design with chrome plating, and on the center it has the Tata badging branding available. See how beautiful this car is looking from the front. Why would somebody not want to go for Safari if it falls in their budget? If you can see that this comes with the diamond cut alloy wheels, and it has the radius of 235 by 60 R18, and the tire width is also good, and it comes with the Bridgestone tires. Okay, and as you can see on the driver door, it has the umbrella holder and a bottle holder here, and it has very good space available here. I don't think that you have to compromise with the space here. Okay, so दोस्तों ये यहाँ की इंटीरियर्स हैं सफारी के, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं। ये यहाँ पे इसका रियर व्यू मिरर है, और ये इसका यहाँ पे इंफोटेनमेंट सिस्टम है हर्मन का। काफ़ी वाइड स्क्रीन है, so it gives you a very smooth experience. The touch is also good. AC is strong. Then it has all the controls to control the fog lamps, and then it has the economy mode here, and then this is the button for sports mode, and from here you can just turn on the auto AC, and this is the gear knob for it, and this is into the automatic transmission, and then it has the 3 modes here. So this button which you see, this is for the parking
and used to apply handbrake.
This is the bar to open the door, and see it really comes with a very good piano finish front dashboard view, and the dashboard is also very sturdy, and on the top it has sunroof, and over here if you see this, these are the buttons to control it, and these are the lighting, and here we have 2 mics over here, and I just turned on the AC. It is quite powerful, and over here if you can see from here these are the buttons for cruise control, and from here you can maintain the infotainment system controls. This is to raise the volume, down the volume, and from here you can change the tuning, change the mode. From here you can receive the call, and then this is from where you can connect the Bluetooth and pen drive, and this is to disconnect the call. This has 6 airbags. This is the one airbag. There's another one on the left side on the co-driver seat, and then it has 4 airbags each on the door sides. And from here, this is the electronic adjustable ORVMs. From here you can adjust the ORVM. See, it is smooth, no doubt about it, and this comes with the push start stop button, and I hope you like it. And this comes with the leather finish steering wheel. Okay, and these are the 4 buttons to operate the power window, and then at the bottom this is the point to plug in the data cable, and this is the point to plug in the aux, and you get enough space here. See, it has the 12-volt charger point here, and 2 more USB point here, for one for 5 volt, another for 5 volt 2.4 ampere. So there are 2 points that we get, and this, since as I mentioned, this is the automatic version, so obviously it's always good to drive. And as you can see it has the JBL speakers, 8 JBL speakers installed in it, and this is the daylight rear view mirror, and this is the sunshade. And let's see if the co-driver has the vanity mirror. Yes, it has the vanity mirror over here. See, it has also lighting installed here, So this I like this feature that it has the lighting in it. See how beautiful this car is looking, and over here it has the rear wiper to it, and then it has the branding of Safari at the dicky and the Tata logo, and see, it comes with very stylish lighting. It has the branding at the back, vocal for local. At the back it has enough space, and it has two 5-volt 2.4 ampere USB ports over here and two AC vents at the rear, if you can see here. Okay, and I forgot to tell you about the center row AC vents that installed on the left hand side and the right hand side, if you can see there. Okay, so I guess it gives good cooling, and then on the top it has the panoramic sunroof. Let me know about your point of view about this car, and if you're any ways interested buying this car, let me know, and I'll be happy to share my reviews also about it. I can do the comparison with other cars in the same segment, and from here you can just see, just pull this clip and then you can adjust the seats at the back. So it is the 6-seater Safari, and on the top it has the shark fin antenna, and then it is having the top mounted stop lights available at the back, and then it has very strong roof rails. These are in grey color and quite tough, and if you see the rear profile, see how beautiful it is looking. Then as I mentioned, that the chrome finished door openers is there, and then we have a very good grip on the door handles from inside, and all the seats are adjustable from the back. If you can see, you can make the adjustment accordingly, and see how beautiful this car is looking. And if I just get inside this car, so there is a tray available over here, then you have a clip over here, and then you have lamps over here, which reading lamps, and then it has airbags installed over here. So there are 6 airbags on the side profiles, like one is here, another one is here, third one is here, fourth one is here, 2 at the back and 2 at the front. Do let me know if you have any questions around this, because this car really looks very good. See, at the back it has enough space. I don't think that you have to compromise with the car space, because at the back seat you have the AC controls also available over here, and you can keep your belongings here. No doubt it really gives a very good experience.
Thank you for watching this video. I'll come back with a new video soon. Till then, take care and lots of love. Bye.